Tristan with Universal Press and Machinery. We are here in Michigan, and we are helping the owner, who's retired, sell his equipment. So we've sold a 170-ton Van Dorn injection molding machine. It's being loaded out right now. We've also sold a 500-ton, two 300 tons, a 120-ton, and an 85-ton Van Dorn. Those will be going out in the next week or two. Many other machines are available. There's a whole tool room, so we'll take you for a quick walkthrough so you can see what else is available. These are the 300-ton Van Dorns we've sold. We've also sold the Serpro robots. There were two of those. We've sold those. We do have one 300-ton Van Dorn left. There's quite a bit of shelving available for sale. There are temperature control units for sale. There are some granulators that are also for sale. I'll take you in the tool room here real quick. In the tool room we have a Supermax 3-foot radial arm drill. We have a couple of Bridgeports, 2 horsepower Bridgeports with XY readouts, and they have a 4-inch spacer, so you have a little bit of an extended vertical. There are 5 or 6 Fadal vertical machining centers of various sizes, small vertical bandsaw. We also have small surface grinders, and there's a good bit of tooling for the vertical machining centers. There's also a CMM, so if you're interested or if you have any questions about this equipment, just give us a call or email at sales@universalpress.com. Phone is 248-268-1603. Thanks.